I'm Kareem Amar. I'm one of the instructors here at Southwest Truck Driving Training. Former student 25 years ago, different time, different place. Since getting my CDL, have my own trucking business, 37 trucks. And it seems like it's full circle again. A year ago, I joined the family here at Southwest Truck Driving Training. It's a busy day, yeah. Since everybody shows up like it's your 9 to 5, your 8 to 5. We clock in at 6. Okay, we take our students out to a first things first, a pre-trip, getting them proficient, polished up on their pre-trip because that's going to be the first hurdle they have to do when it comes to exam day. And then right after that pre-trip, you either divide the class up to go out on the streets, and then the rest of the group stays inside, and then we practice our skills, our backing skills, which consist of 3 skills, just getting them ready for the state, for this test. First day on the truck, we get them simulated, familiar with the truck. We open the hoods, we talk components, proper descriptions, and what we're looking for as examiners to get them ready for their test. We take them through, again, the series of upshifting, downshifting, getting them comfortable with the procedure of upshifting, downshifting this truck, just to get it moving. Let's get you comfortable. Once I see, okay, once I can determine that they're feeling comfortable with upshifting, downshifting, let's go around the block. Let's integrate you a little bit more into traffic. The amount of classroom is 2 weeks, Monday through Friday, or evening classes, 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks out here on the range. If it's the weekend warriors, the weekend group, that's eight weeks. So 4 weeks in classroom, 4 weeks out here on the range. So yeah, I try to make it fun and interesting and give them real world applications besides just trying to read a PowerPoint. Test day for the most part, it's successful. Our rates are successful. We do it in order. You have to pass your pre-trip inspection. So you go on to our skills. From our skills, you go on to our driving. On the road, for the most part, everybody does just great. Fantastic. Apply yourself. That's all I ask for. As an instructor, just show up, okay? Apply yourself, and let me take the rest of it from here, okay? Doesn't matter if you've never backed up a trailer. It doesn't matter if you've never shifted a transmission. I'll get you there if you let me get you there. Apply yourself.